Hi, I'm Joel with Lead Brakes. If you're in need of brake system parts for your classic ride, you've stopped at the right place. We've got conversion kits and components for many classic cars, trucks, and street rod applications. Let's see what's included in this kit. You'll receive instructions and literature needed for successful install, as well as an 8-inch dual diaphragm power booster, a 1-inch dual bowl master cylinder, the adjustable proportioning valve, which allows you to fine-tune the amount of brake pressure at your rear brakes, factory-style power brake pedal, which installs to the factory support without any further modification, and all hardware brackets and necessary lines are also included. We also have an expert team of tech specialists on call should you have any questions while working with our products. Check us out on Facebook or Instagram at Lead Brakes, and while you're at it, show us what you're working on by using hashtag LeadBrakes when posting photos of your build.